Les conférences commémoratives Beatty rendent hommage à Sir Edward Beatty, chancelier de McGill de 1921 à 1943 et premier président du Canadien Pacifique né au Canada. Durant 24 ans, le plus jeune président d'une société ferroviaire dans l'histoire a dirigé la compagnie en période de prospérité, de crise économique et de guerre. Toute sa vie, il a uni les Canadiens d'un océan à l'autre par la voie ferrée et son attachement pour l'éducation et l'échange d'idées. Comme leur homonyme, les conférences commémoratives Beatty vous présentent les grands de ce monde, légendes, précurseurs et acteurs du changement.
It is inconceivable for any Western democracy to subsist even for 10 years more if we didn't have, through progressive taxation, a steady transfer of resources from rich people to poor.
And we are all living in history. We are all living in a time of change. And the first thing we must understand is this change.
Imagine that you take the material in one galaxy, the material in another galaxy, neighboring galaxies, and you spread it all into a kind of uniform distribution of particles everywhere throughout space.
I only wish I could go back to Gombe and tell the chimps how interested you all are. Well, we have one short hour tonight for me to try and share with you something of the excitement of 19 years of research.
Economists imagined all human beings are just money-making machines, nothing else. All they do in their lifetime make money, and that's the goal of their life. That doesn't sound like a human.
I want to introduce a word here, citizen efficacy, the sense that people have that as a citizen they can really do something, right?
One of the things that we have to learn, those of us who are part of the diaspora, is that some change is in fact good.